Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare IELTS in 5 days. Start by setting a target band and schedule 3 focus sessions daily. Day 1, diagnose weak areas with a timed practice test and review answers quickly. Day 2 through 4, concentrate on reading, listening, writing, and speaking practice with model answers and feedback. On the final day, do a full mock test, review mistakes, and rest well before the exam. Begin each day with a clear goal and a short warm-up exercise to activate skills. Alternate study blocks between active practice and quick review sessions to prevent burnout. Use timer-based drills to build speed for reading and listening sections. For writing, outline answers first, then write under timed conditions. And for speaking, record responses and compare to model answers. Keep sessions varied and end each day by reviewing missed items and planning the next day. Quick recommendation while you study. If you want a small treat between long sessions, grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen your car or study space. It smells great and feels like a tiny reward. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making concise plans for you. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Warm up your voice and ideas before speaking tasks by summarizing short articles aloud for 5 minutes. For writing, always spend 5 minutes planning structure and examples to avoid losing time on drafting. Use specific vocabulary, but avoid memorized answers that sound unnatural. Record speaking practice and note hesitations to target fluency. Balance accuracy and speed, and every practice must end with quick error correction to lock in improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.